Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. So in the previous video we have seen how to retrieve the current day, the current time, how to get also from this day and time the day, hours, etc, etc. Now if I want to get date and time in directly, not separately, not day in value and the time in another value. No, I want to get in the same time, not separated, date and time. Yeah, there are there is this class in Java 8, package Java.time. It is local date time. To retrieve date and time, it is the same thing. Yeah, but it is the same thing. So we put local date time dt equal local date time dot now to retrieve the same thing, not separately, date and time. Okay. Now, if I want to retrieve or to get the current day, current year, month, hour, second, we have the same method as the previous in date and time. I mean, if I want to retrieve the day, I put in day equal dt dot get day of month. For the month, int month equal dt dot get month value. For the year, int year equal dt dot get year. And for the hours, int hours equal dt dot get hour. Minute, int minute equal dt dot get minute. Second, int second equal dt dot get second. And the last one, nanosecond, int nano dt equal get sorry. So before to execute this simple code, it is so simple. What I want. Here I have retrieved the current date and time. But sometimes I don't need the current date and time. I want to customize or to specify my date and time. My date and time, okay? Not the current. Okay? It is particular date and time. For example, I want to display the date before 5 months or anything else. Okay? So, if I take an example, I think today it is 10 August. If I want to represent the date with time 5 July or 1 November, (2020), and for the time I don't know 13 colon 45. Okay, here is my particular date. How to specify, how to create the date and time from this value that I want. Okay, not the current. Here I have a method inside the class local date and time. What is this method? It is off. So I will do like this: local date time dt equal local date time dot off. I open parentheses to put my parameters or my argument. About the argument, here I have multiple choice. We have the choice. Okay, if I want to put, I can put all the argument. I mean, the day, the month, the year, and hours, minute, second, nanosecond, if you want, or some of them. You have choice to put what you want. So for me, I just want to put this file value. I mean, the date 1 November 2020, 13 colon 45. So here what I will do, local date time dt equal local date time dot off. I just put my file value. I mean 1. After this, I can put the number of the month. Remember, it is 11. Or I put in value it is month dot November. Okay. After this, 2020, 13 and 45. So here, if I put system.println, I got my date. Okay? Now, I will execute this program to see how to get local date and time simple way. After this, with custom date and time, and I will come back to continue. Let's go. So, if I want to retrieve the current date and time not separately, I will use local date time dt equal local date time dot now. Okay, and here system.println of dt, and I will got them same time. Here is my date with the time. Okay, now I want to specify my date. So for example, I said I want this date, 1st November, 1 November 2020, and here after this 13:45. So now I will use local date and time dt2 equal local date and time dot off, and here I will specify. As you can see, I have a lot of them. So I will specify my all my value. I begin by the year. I think I have said in the video the day. I begin by the year. After this, here I can put 11, the int of the month, and also I recommend to use directly this month dot November. Okay, after this one, and what I have also 13 and 45, like this. And now if I print the second date, what I got, let's see. As you can see, here is my date with good value. Now, after I have specified to local date and time my own date and time that I want to use, sometimes I want to get the date or time, for example, after 4 months. What is the date after 4 months, or before 5 months, or after 10 days, before 20 days, etc., etc. There are a lot of methods inside local date and time that you can use to achieve this. So if I want to get the date from my particular data after 4 months, what I will do, system.out.println, the date after 4 months is dt2, I think I have put dt or dt2 dot plus month between parentheses 4. And also, if I want to retrieve or to get the date before 5 months, I put system.out.println, the date before 5 months is dt dot minus month between parentheses 5. And you make the same thing for the hours or the day. You can get all this method from the package and the class local date and time. Google it. You will see, as I said before, when I have started the course, this topic, there are a lot of methods inside this package, Java time. I can't show them all of the costs, but understand the concept and just see the documentation in Javadoc. You get all of them. Use what you want. If you don't find what you want, create a new one, customize your own method. So let's jump to the computer to execute this simple program to see how to use this two method, and we continue inshallah for the next topic. Let's go. So if I want to get the date after 4 months, what I will do, system.out.println, directly from here, the date after 4 months is point, and here put dt2 dot plus month 4. Okay, and the same thing for the previews of before 5 months, for example. The date before 5 months is dt2 minus here, minus month, minus month, and here 5. So if I execute this code, I can go to here. So let's see the date normal before to add some month. Okay, here is our date, as you can see, after 4 months in March, and here in June. Good. So you can see a lot of method. Okay, as I have said, just Google and you will get what you want for the menus. As you can see, days, hours, minutes, etc., etc. Also for the weeks, and the same thing for the plus. There are a lot of methods. So in this video, we have seen how to get the local date and time not separately, how also to specify our date and time, and also how to change, how to get the date or the time before after a certain value. So in next video, inshallah, we'll see another method, another topic about date and time. Practice, always I have to say practice to be familiar with all this method, and inshallah we'll continue until the latest station of our train. So take care of us, subscribe to my channel, like this video, like it, share it with your friends, and also if you can, please follow me on Instagram in teams.winners or the motivational code, and also in Faisal Chico if you like the food. So tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.